What not to do after completing your high ticket sales training. Do not, and this is a suggestion, it's just it's a suggestion, but do not get involved with MLMs or life insurance. You guys don't invest thousands of dollars into a sales training program to get started in multi-level marketing. You do not spend or invest thousands of dollars to get started in life insurance. Usually, from my experience and what I see in this marketplace, usually people that are not seeing success, that cannot find or land a quality sales role, will end up finding themselves in an MLM or in life insurance. Because life insurance and multi-level marketing, they will accept anybody. They will onboard anybody. And so with life insurance, you've got to get licensed by the state, right? And you might have to pay, $100, $200, whatever that looks like. Some offer, the test for free because they're gonna take care of it, right? But at the end of the day, like, you didn't need to go through a sales training program to sell life insurance. Will it help you? Sure. But at the end of the day, like, you don't need to go through that extensive sales training to sell life insurance. That, for the most part, these companies train you up, right? Can it improve your skill set? Like 100%. But again, like, you don't make that type of investment to get started in life insurance. And for the most part, life insurance is kind of, MLM-ish, where, you still want to bring on a team, you've got to recruit a team, and then you'll receive, residuals and passive income for the team that you have built, like overrides and things of that nature. And I'm familiar with this. I've done this all, guys. So, but, so for the most part, that's not why we got into high ticket sales. That's not why we made that investment. Not to get into MLM or life insurance. Anyone could do life insurance, and you don't need to invest thousands of dollars. You can go invest $200 and get your, pass your test and get your life insurance license. And so again, for me, just through my experience and kind of what I've seen, people that completed a sales training program that can't land a job, that don't know where to look, how to find one, like anything to that extent, they're just not seeing any success on that front. They usually end up getting picked up by life insurance companies because it's the closest thing to sales that they're going to get to. And so it's not something that I suggest or recommend if you're really wanting to transition into high ticket sales.